All right, I was not paying attention to what I was doing and have created a minor slowdown for myself. What I did was when I cleared all the wood over out of the way so that I could work on the wing frame, I managed to jumble up the lines. So they're now all out of order. So I am having to go through each one at a time, measure it to make sure that I've got the right one here. So it's going to take me a little bit longer. Yeah, because I'm going to have to find them all over again. So, back to it. Alright, well, I've got everything done and finished with layout. The next step is going to be to come along here and drill out the anchor holes for the guide wire. And I settled, poking myself. I did settle one issue. I was trying to decide if I wanted to stick with the kite string, if that was going to be strong enough, or if I needed to go to something like a heavy, like a fishing line or something. Well, snap the string when I was folding and unfolding it. So that kind of settles that. I'm going to see about running out to one of my local sporting goods stores and pick up some nylon fishing line, something that can handle some weight and some tension on it. So we'll do that probably tomorrow night. In the meantime, I don't know that I'll do it on camera. You guys have seen the entire process through one wing. I may just go ahead and just lay out and blow through the second wing just to get it done. I had to make a few on-the-fly adjustments. I've recorded those changes in my spreadsheet, so this is ready to go. And a lot of parts are going to start arriving tomorrow. A lot of the last bits. I should be getting the controllers. I should be getting the other actuator for the flap mechanism. I am going to be going to town tonight and tomorrow. I think I'm going to go ahead and use my battery packs, mostly because I have them here. No cost involved in this for right now. And they're flexible. I can start with a small one with like a 2 amp hour battery, and then I could, if that isn't enough juice to carry a day's worth of operation, I can always go to a bigger one because it's the same connectors, it's the same clip, it just changes in length. So if I make like a small holster, I don't think there's going to be enough room back here for a battery pack, unless I do it like up here somewhere. That might be a little awkward. I might have to do a belt pack where these will sit. Set it on the side, it just clips in like that. I don't know, we'll see. I am going to find, I know I've seen online a lot of designs for accessories for the Ryobi gear already, so maybe I'll take some time tonight to breeze through there, see if I can find a good idea or a good starting place. At the very least, I'm going to need this piece that will sit over and will have the contacts. Depending on the setup, I may or may not need the clip-in mechanism. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. But yeah, starting to come together. Still short on time. I don't think I'm going to feel terribly good about this until this is all fabricated across. I've still got one. I still have a secondary row of feathers, and then the entire cover to go over it. That I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I'm kind of keeping my fingers crossed that perhaps I can just use these existing ones for the secondary feathers and just lay them on here, stagger them a little bit so that they lay out correctly. I'm going to play with some ideas. I'll let you know how it goes. Probably we'll see you back tomorrow night and for another couple hours worth of grinding away and see what we can do. So we'll catch you later. Bye.